Good morning everyone, I'm Avishka from BBA PPU second year and today I'm going to talk about the topic market segmentation guided by Sujit sir. So let us begin. Imagine trying to talk to different customers with different needs and different wants. It will be difficult to connect with them directly because market is huge. So to understand them carefully and effectively, we divide the market into small segments. Let us take an example of a shoe company. A shoe company will divide its product into different groups according to the needs of the customer. For example, if a customer is in a fashion or in athletes, etc. Why is it important? Market segmentation is important because it helps us understand customer needs. Companies can figure what people really want. For example, a gym organization knowing if its customer wants to lose weight or gain weight. Second, effective marketing and product development. Instead of guessing, the company or the organization will know exactly what the customer needs. Effective marketing and product development. Sorry, improve satisfaction and loyalty. When the customer's needs are satisfied, the customer is more likely to return to the market. Increase ROI, that is return on investment. More targeted marketing means fewer wasted dollars and better profits. Competition advantage. Knowing your customers better than your competitors gives you a head start in the competition. Types of market segmentation. There are mainly four types of market segmentation: demographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, and psychographic segmentation. Let us discuss these in detail. Geographic segmentation. These include age, gender, income, education, occupation, religion, or marital status. Let us understand with an example. Luxury products may be targeted to customers with higher income, and baby products may be focused on the parents of babies. Geographic Geographic segmentation. These include country, region, city, town, climate, urban versus rural. Example, selling snow boots in cold regions or spicy foods according to the local taste. Psychographic segmentation. These include lifestyle, personality traits, value and benefits, social class, hobbies and interests. For example, eco-conscious brands target customers who care about the environment. Behavioral segmentation. These include buying habits, loyalty to brands, usage rate, benefit sought, occasion-based buying, etc. Example, offering special promotions to local customers or marketing yoga mats or equipments on yoga day. Process of segmentation. The process starts by defining the market. Know what you're selling and who could buy it. Identify the criteria. Decide how to divide the market by age, location, or income, etc. Develop profiles. Describe each group clearly, like persona. Evaluate attractiveness. Which group are worth targeting? Size, profit, or growth? Select target segments. Pick the best fit group to focus on. Implement the marketing mix. Please make sure to customize your product, price, place, and promotion for each segment. Conclusion: market segmentation is like being smart with your resources. You should know where you have to apply it. Instead of trying to talk to everyone, you talk to the right people in the right you talk to the right people in the right way. It makes marketing personal, efficient, and powerful. Thank you for your time.